This is my first solo moto camping. I'm here in the forest, state forest, Brenton T. Byrne State Forest in New Jersey. It's 7 p.m. April 8. I don't even know the date, but anyway, yeah, it's 7 p.m. But I arrived here about an hour ago. I was looking for my campsite. I thought I was lost because I looked at I was looking for campsite number 24 because that was what I booked, and then I got confused because next to me there are also two families, two campers, two campsites. So I thought that was my booking, but it's the number was a little confusing. But anyway, I'm here. I already set up my tent. This is my first time to use this not too expensive tent, and it took me about let's see, good 12 minutes, maybe 15, to put this up. My sleeping bag is already inside. I have some food, I have my equipment. Most of them will be used for the very first time, so hang on. I'll have more videos on this first solo moto camping. Alright, it's the morning of April 9th. I woke up earlier and I slept not too good because this is the first time I slept on the hard ground, so my back hurts a little bit, but it was okay. I slept the first 3 hours straight, and then after that on and off. But anyway, it was good. It was good. I still say it's good, and I'm getting ready to leave. I'm gonna pack up my stuff and head home. It was a good night. It was so cold. I wish I had more cover to be able to sleep well, but all in all, it was very good. See you next video.